guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back with another video. I've been gone for like a few days because I've been getting my house painted and stuff like that. But yeah, the color came out amazing. I really love it. It's way better than that ugly blue shade that we had in here. It was like driving both of us nuts. So yeah, I'm pretty much just like finishing up decorating my nail room and stuff. And then I'll be able to give you guys a nail room tour. And I was also working on my living room, which came out so bomb. Like if you guys want to see that too, I probably can show you that one day as well. But yeah, it's definitely came out so cute. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, on another note, I did receive a really nice Christmas gift from MelodySusie that I want to share with you guys, because this is like a really amazing deal. This is actually a 3-in-1 facial set for $89.99. It's normally $189, but it's on sale. And on top of that, it comes with a $100 gift voucher. And there's like a limited amount of these boxes. I believe there's like 300, so it's like first come, first serve. But yeah, I honestly thought they were sending me nail products at first, but then I realized it was like a facial set when I received it in the mail. And I was like, wow, because I really need something like this because I've been like breaking out a little bit, like having like hormonal acne. So it's getting more clear, but this is a good thing to have. So I'm gonna do like a quick little unboxing for you guys. So first things first, tell me this is not the cutest little facial set you've ever seen. Like it's all kitty cat themed. It reminds me of like kawaii or something like that. I just love it so much. This is like so my style. And I actually did film this unboxing and then realized that my camera wasn't on. So I did unwrap the wires and everything, but I tried to put it back really nice, like how it came. But yeah, in this set, you get a facial scrubber. It's kind of like a dual scrubber. Like one side has a scrubber and the other side has like this kind of like metal piece that you can use to massage your face, and it like heats up and vibrates and stuff. And then this is like an exfoliator for your skin. It helps to get like blackheads out and all of that. And then this is a dual facial massager. This is like a hot and cold one, so you can massage your face. And then this cute little kitty little holder here holds the little paw print facial scrubber, which is so freaking adorable. I'm gonna like take everything out for you guys so you can see. But yeah, 2 of these plug in with this kind of wire. I believe it's for these 2. And then the facial scrubber plugs in by USB. As you can see, I already like opened up the wire because I thought I was filming and I obviously wasn't. So yeah, let me just take everything back out of the package. But this stuff is so freaking cute. Oh my God. Okay, so as you can see, the little facial scrubber rests right in the little like kitty cat head holder. Oh my God, this is so adorable. It's so cute. But yeah, before we get into like all of this stuff, I just want to like show you guys what comes with the little card that they send. So there's like a bunch of stuff in here, like 3 instruction manuals, 1 for each product in here. And then there is a little thank you card. And when you open it up, it says, "This is our proudly presented gift set with 3 amazing products. We really wish you joy, health, and happiness in this special time. May this new year bring many opportunities your way to explore every joy of life and turning your dream into a reality and all your efforts into great achievement. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, MelodySusie." That is so sweet. I'm gonna like keep that forever. It's little things like that that really mean a lot to me. That is so nice. This is like just so nice. And then here's like the little $100 gift voucher that you'll receive with your product. And I'll be sure to leave the links to this facial set down below with my discount code. I'm not sure if you can use my discount code on items that are on sale, but you might be able to. But either way, it's like an amazing deal. Just check the description box below and try it out. But yeah, when you get your box, to claim your voucher, you would just go to this website, enter the claim ID that is on the card, and then enter your email and they'll send it to you by email. And these are the instruction manuals. So I'm pretty much gonna go through each like product and talk about it, and about like what it does and what it does for your skin and everything like that. And I'm really dying to try this. I can't wait to use it. Okay, so we'll start with the little facial scrubber that's shaped like a little kitty cat paw. And as you can see on the other side, it has like this rose gold metal piece that you can use to massage. So it says for how to use, the MelodySusie facial massager is suitable for all skin types. Its unique cat claw design brush contains many small touch points, which is these four here on the top of the paw, that are suitable for sensitive or neutral skin, and the wider palm area is for general cleansing. The four small touch point areas on top are suitable for precision cleaning, which can cleanse every corner of the face. And they recommend that you use this for 1 minute every morning and evening. So yeah, the smaller areas are for like getting in the corners of your eyes or like the hard to reach areas. And then the big paw area is for getting like around your cheeks and like your forehead and stuff, like the larger areas. The reason why people get wrinkles is because there's no blood flow to those areas. So by massaging your face, it will like increase blood flow to those areas, which will reduce the wrinkles and stuff like that, if that makes any sense what I'm trying to say. But hopefully you get what I'm saying. But yeah, that's really awesome. So the next one I want to talk to you guys about is the Sonic Skin Scrubber. And this is what it looks like. It's all light pink. By the way, I love the color of the packaging in this. So it's all light pink and it says MelodySusie on it. And look how freaking cute this is. The on and off button is like a little cat paw. And there's like 3 different modes on this. One is lifting, moisturizing, and cleansing. And when you open it up, this is what the tool looks like for your face. I've actually never used one of these. I think I've seen a YouTuber, I forgot what her name was. I think it was Julian. Yeah, I love watching her channel. So yeah, for cleansing mode, you would long press the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the device. So we're gonna do that. 1, 2. And as you can see, it lights up red. This is so cool. I've probably said that 100 times, but I don't know, I just think it's so awesome. So to do the cleansing mode, you would press the button 1 time and it goes on cleansing mode. And as you can see, it makes like some little vibrating sound. And to use it, you would, okay, for the cleansing mode, wash face before use for better effect. Smear the derived liquid on face as shown in figure 1. And I guess you would like massage, or I don't know what you would do, just go up with it. Kind of like vibrates, like, and you would lightly touch the skin with it and kind of just go in like upward motions, like around your cheeks, up the nose to the forehead, kind of like it shows in this little diagram here, like up on your chin. I don't know, you have to do it really lightly, don't press hard, I guess. And for moisturizing mode, you would press the button 2 times for moisturizing mode. So you go 1, 2, okay. Well, that's 1 time after you press for the first time. And this one's for moisturizing. So yeah, basically, for some reason it's showing you're holding it downward. So maybe you're doing this. I don't know, guys. I've never used this before, but if you get this, everything's in the directions, but I'm trying to like go through this quick. Basically it says moisturizing mode, apply facial mask before use for better effect. Smear the beauty liquid on the face. I'm guessing that's your moisturizer. And just follow the steps to massage your face. And then lifting, you would press it 3 times. And you would basically do the same thing. You can use this mode with your facial cleanser or moisturizer is what I'm trying to say. And basically what this is going to do is, like I said, remove blackheads and exfoliate your skin. And it will lift, tighten, and moisturize your skin. So yeah, it's really nice. And to turn it off, I think you would press and hold it for another 2 seconds. So yeah, that's really cool. Can't wait to use that. It's like a 3-step thing. You would wash your face with a scrubber, probably exfoliate, and then do the massaging, and then you can like apply your moisturizer with this. So yeah, to show you guys what this one it looks like when you turn it on, you would press and hold this one for like, I think it's 2 seconds. Let me double check. For 1.5 seconds for the vibration mode. Okay. So this is the vibration mode. And you would just lightly scrub your skin with this. I mean, you can put a little bit of pressure, it will still stay on. But if you put too much pressure, it automatically shuts off to let you know, I guess, that you're using too much pressure. You just want to lightly massage your skin. It's going to get that blood flowing and like really cleanse your skin good. And then for the other side, hold on, to shut this off. Oh, and you can actually adjust the intensity of the vibration too on this. I'm noticing that as I'm pressing it. So to turn it off, you're gonna wanna like press and hold it for another 1.5 seconds. And you're gonna wanna use the heating for the massage part of this when you go to apply your moisturizer. So you're gonna want to press and hold this, I think, for 1.5 seconds. Yeah, the last one I'm gonna talk about is the hot and cold dual facial massager. And it does come with like a little cover, which is really nice. And this is what it looks like. I love the like rosy pink head. And then it says MelodySusie on the back. It's really awesome. MelodySusie doesn't only make like nail products, they also make like skincare products. And I noticed they do make candles and stuff too, which is really, really nice. So yeah, let's take a look at this one. So basically, this is the heating and cooling massage head. It will light up blue when it's gonna be cold, and it will light up red when you're using it hot. And this is basically the heating and cooling switch button. And then there's also a light if you want to switch it, the light on or off, I guess, if you don't want the light on. So yeah, to turn it on, you would basically long press this button for 1.5 seconds. Okay, so it's on. Press the button once for cooling and the blue light will turn on. So this is on cooling mode, and if you wanted to shut the light off, you just go like that to turn it back on. If you want to do the heat mode, you would just press it again and it will go on heat mode, whichever one you choose to massage your face with. Yeah, and basically you would massage your face in like circular motions, and what this is going to do is help increase the elasticity of your skin, improve moisture retention, and rejuvenate cell production, which leads to deeply like nutritioning your skin. And it makes your skin like absorb nutrients better, because as you're massaging massaging, you're opening your pores more and everything, allowing your skin to absorb that moisturizer and stuff like that. So yeah, the blue and red light is also good for anti-aging, antioxidant, repairing of the skin, reducing oil secretion, and improving the face's metabolism and reducing fine lines. Like I said before, the whole purpose of massaging your face is to get the blood flow going, to help reduce premature aging. So yeah, as we get older, ladies, we need to look into stuff like this because, you know, you gotta stay looking young, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I said, the links to this will be in the description box. This is a really nice Christmas gift, either to yourself, a friend, or a family member. Is definitely a good deal. One of the best Christmas deals I've actually come across so far that I've reviewed. So you guys should definitely check it out. Links will be in the description box. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I always like post really fun nail tutorials and stuff like that, and even videos like this. Like I said in some of my previous videos, I do want to start like reviewing other things. So yeah, in the future, that is what I want to do. But yeah, nails is always my #1 thing. But yeah, I hope you guys like enjoyed this video. I thought it was really fun and different, just to talk about like skincare for once. I pretty much learned some new things about skincare too, like after like going on their website and reading about these things. So yeah, I'm really hoping this will help me with my current like acne problem. It's not too bad, but I do want to like clear it up. And I was thinking of actually getting something like this. So yeah, I think this is really gonna work really nicely. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you guys.